There we go. Yes, I know. It's a joke. Oh, lost the bolt. That's it. Gotta sell them a new one. Alright, what do we got? It's down here. Come on. Come on. So I can short this wire off, damn it. Alright, found it. There we go. Now we can get to the top of that. We'll yank that thing out of there. Well, I can tell you right now what it is, now that I can see. I think that shaft deal there is not retracting. Or am I just crazy? Maybe not. I thought that thing... Yeah, you can smell something. Got a cobalt set here with a ball and socket. It makes it a little easier to get in there. Get this thing out here in a jiffy and see if we can find out what exactly burned up on this. You got them loosened up, and you got to watch it because there's some plates there underneath that will go flying. And I noticed when I did it, I forget what it's called. Anyhow, it was engaged like that and stuck. As soon as I pulled it out, it retracted. Let that other one fall, might as well. Now this is why you definitely want to have your battery unhooked. As you can see, my back end of my starter is touching things that would short out. I'm pretty sure I did it exactly the way they had it before, because if not, that could cause that issue, which, you know, 9/8, 10/8, so 2 months and in a week. A little rusty. I don't know if we can make that turn much. Yeah, it turns with a finger, so we're not stuck there. So when this goes one direction, it kicks out. Goes the other, it comes back. So we might be all right. What we're gonna do is unscrew this thing from the end here and take a peek at the end of it and see if we can pull it out of there and see what's going on. So we've got our meter here on ohmage, and we're gonna go from here, which is there, and go to ground on the starter, and we are at 0.3 ohms. So we do have something, you know, making internally. Might fit, yeah, works out nice. It's not really 5/16, it's probably 8mm or something like that, but let's go ahead and pop this apart. We're out much nothing right now. Yeah, it's got stinky smell to it. That's not good. I don't think that's just a rust inhibitor of some sort. Yeah. Pretty crispy on the ends there. You can kind of see that paint. I don't think that's how the paint was. It might have been, but it sure looks like heat marks on paint. Let's see if we can get this thing apart. Yeah, it'll come apart fairly easy apart somehow, kind of, I think. I don't remember. Honestly, I should just trash it and say enough's enough. Time for another. Oh yeah, she's toast. Toast. Toasty Critter. You can see down in there, those windings are crispy. She is crispy. Yep, let's go ahead and just take this apart, get it outside of the unit. No sense of wasting any more time with it. Gonna need to order a new one. For whatever reason, you know, it's warm this weekend, and now it feels colder, and you know what? See if we can. That magnet on the end is so crazy. Oh my, yep. Look at that. Them are sweet chocolate chip cookies there. See that? Melted that puppy right down. Molded that right there into place. Come on, focus, you piece of junk. All right, there we go. Molded that right down. Molded it all the way. So 4-pole rotor, or 4-pole brush system. And then inside here, you can see the magnet. This thing's bad. There we go. See this right here? That right there is the plastic from the rotor. Look at that right there. See that wire? It's broke. I wonder if that was the start of the problem right there. One of their wires broke, and then it couldn't complete the path. Yeah, look how bad it is up in here. Completely crisped it up. Fantastic. Probably didn't do this contactor a whole lot of good, but anyhow, that's unfortunate. They make their own, supposedly. Did not write their place of manufacturer. Well guys, I don't know how long it's going to take to get back here, so I may just go ahead and end the video here. But as you can see, basic trial and elimination we just went through with the meters. Didn't have to have the amp meter, it just was kind of giving me some insight of what's going on. Just your basic DC meter and making sure that you've got power going to the starter. If they don't kick over, then see if it's seized up, then give it a sniff. Use the old sniffer and see if she's a Toasty Critter. Other than that, I think that's about it, guys. So just reverse the motor, the start motor there, starter, and put her back to operation. Give her a little checkaroo on that, which looks like we're good. No problems with the oil. Probably hasn't ran. I mean, chances are, but this thing's probably ran maybe an hour or two at the most. But because they didn't put an hour meter on back then, they you never did have a clue how much time you actually got out of it. All right, so